Hi, my name is Wendy with WTI, and I'm super excited to share with you the J Mark Art Collection Kit. It's a 22-piece kit, and it comes with your palette, your 2 8x10 board canvases, even an easel so you can look fancy. It also comes with 12 acrylic paints that are washable, and they're super easy to open. You just twist open the cap, and you notice the little stabby thing, and you open it up just like that. It also has 5 different brushes that are perfect for this size canvas. Now, if you're confused on how to mix colors, J Mark made it easier for you by sending you a card to show you how to mix colors. So if you're going to that art class, this is a great kit because it's just something simple and easy, and you're going to have a great time at this paint class. Now, I am a step-by-step art painting teacher, and I really recommend this kit. So you're going for a good time. I hope you have a great painting class, and I hope to see you soon. So you should go out and grab this, but that's my point of view.